Cooking with Crissy and the Lou. Ooh, it's kind of dark. Can't really see. This is the roast. I'm cooking the last of the greens. Here is the roast with the onions and bell pepper and the portobello mushrooms and the candied yam, perfectly candied, and our jiffy cornbread baked to perfection, browned. Ooh, now this is a Sunday dinner. This is a Sunday dinner to be proud of. Delicious. Cooking with Crissy and the Lou. And I'm going to have the conclusion video. I can't wait to dig in, y'all. Look at it. Get into it, y'all. Ooh-wee. Outstanding. I think I'm going to turn this puppy off. Cooking with Crissy and the Lou. See ya. Please support. Like, share, and subscribe. $sign Crystal Thomas 47. God bless.